Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is your host Trillionaire. Very glad to be back with you. And today we're going to be covering, well, no one particular crypto. We're going to be covering several cryptos. In fact, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world that I live every day trying to bring these phenomenal coins and tokens to your attention only if they present legitimate opportunities. I'm going to show you the filth and the hilarity that I have to dig through each and every day to find these opportunities. And this is why it's not always possible to find a legitimate opportunity, because there's so many pieces of hay. It's very difficult to find that needle in the haystack, if you get what I mean. Perhaps after this episode, you'll value what it is I bring to you on a more regular basis. Anyway, aside from doing that, I got a couple gems that I will bring to you, because again, in each and every episode, Trillionaire does bring you opportunities to increase your own wealth. So thank you very much for those of you staying with me. We'll keep this video below 10 minutes, and here we go. Without further ado, taking a deep dive into CoinMarketCap. What I like to do, okay, is I'll just go ahead and start hitting next 100. We like to get down below the 5 millions, and if we can start picking up stuff that may go major at some point in the hundreds of thousands, then absolutely, especially if we hear about some news coming on it very soon. Sometimes things will pop out at you. Why does it pop out? Well, perhaps because it had an extreme market swing. To pretty much narrow that down, what we can start to do is look at the change over the last 24 hours. And, you know, this is sometimes how people can jump onto a moving train. Anyways, here we have GarlicCoin. Since we're just having a little bit of fun in this episode, let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. And it says GarlicCoin is the new, friendly, decentralized cryptocurrency that you've never heard of. Oh, and we can get started right now. Look at this. Let's get started. We can jump on their Reddit over here. And by the way, folks, if you ever do want to reach me in a personal message, feel free to do it on Reddit. My YouTube name happens to be the same as my Reddit name, Trillionaire. Yeah, we pretty much see what's going on over here, and you've been visited by the rare garlic doggos. So this pretty much seems to be like a Doge 2.0, you know what I mean? GarlicCoin. They're just having a little bit of fun, nothing serious. All right, jumping right on back. We'll check out another couple of these, and then we'll jump right into the real, a couple real bits of opportunities for you guys. But first, what do we have yet? Let's go ahead and narrow this by the biggest losers. Very fittingly, the biggest loser on this particular 100 list at number 872 on CoinMarketCap is InflationCoin. How fitting. Let's check out their website. Clearly, since this is a legitimate opportunity, I'd love to see what InflationCoin is bringing to the table here. Proof of stake rate, first year, 800%. Whoa, my goodness. I like to bring you guys different people in the crypto space who may not have a name just yet. I brought you Token Bubbles. I brought you another website in the past video or two, and now I'm bringing you this one, FindMyEther.com. And what it is, a unique crypto treasure hunt. All right, have a little bit of fun with cryptocurrency. It's an opportunity for those of you with no cryptocurrency to go ahead and get some cryptocurrency for free, no cost to you. You just got to be able to get your butt from point A to point B and follow the clues. So what is it? A unique crypto treasure hunt. We hide some Ethereum around the world and send you clues to help you find them. Subscribe to our newsletter to receive the clues. All right, so you can go ahead and pop your email address in there. Obviously, don't use your main email address if you guys don't like spam, since we don't know exactly who these people are. But yeah, it's pretty interesting. And from what I've seen, it looks like they're going to be doing about 0.5 to 1 Ether for starters. And if they do get more and more people on their mailing list, they get more sponsors who are going to be paying for these treasure hunts, and they could increase that over time. How many do they do? How frequently? Well, I'm not quite sure yet, but if you jump on their mailing list, I'm sure they'd be happy to let you know. Their first treasure hunt starts on May 2nd, 2018. All right, you'll receive an email from us approximately once every 2 weeks for the treasure hunt. So they're not trying to inundate your email, but they also, who knows if they're going to give away or sell your email. So again, use a backup email for that when you check every so often. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right back into it. And you know what? I'm kind of feeling like these market caps are a little too high. Listen, let's go ahead and check out the next 100. Let's see what that's going. What else? We got WhaleCoin. For those of you who like to play whale games, you can you can go ahead and jump on WhaleCoin. CushCoin over here doing some work, 25%. Got a car taxi token, and it appears to have an image of a car taxi. I can't really tell though since it's so small. My goodness, we got Tokyo Coin. So some pretty interesting some pretty interesting coins over here. Strong Hands. Red coin, but not the red coin, you know, with the DD that went up to, I don't know, 250 million or something like that. It's a different red coin. Taj coin. Trying to see if anything else funny pops out here. Yeah, so anyways, as you guys see, I have to dig through some pure trash, and believe me, this isn't the only thing I'm doing to find you guys these cryptos. I mean, it takes a lot more than just digging through a bunch of low cap cryptos, since there's so many of them. There's too little time in the day to sit here and click on each one and see if there's something happening on their social. There was one more thing I wanted to bring to y'all's attention, and that is PayFair. So this is PayFair. You guys have heard me talking about them. I do like these guys. They have their mainnet launching, okay, in about 3 days. Pretty much what are they saying? They're saying that they held a vote, and people who voted could vote on which crypto they wanted to see on PayFair's website. You know, PayFair direct to fiat immediately. And essentially what it is it's obviously going to be PayFair that you can exchange directly into fiat, and fiat directly into PayFair. You can also do Ethereum, you can do VeChain, you can do Mise Go, Icon, EOS, Basic Attention Token, Binance Coin, Funfair, Tron, and Walton Chain. I'm a little disappointed that they didn't put DAI, D-A-I, on there to immediately exchange to, because, you know, exchanging from fiat directly into a dollar stable token such as DAI, to me, presents clear opportunities for value for both the PayFair users of the PayFair platform and the people holding the PayFair token, so that they can get those you know, financial benefits from fees and whatnot. So anyways, hopefully that'll come on down. If you guys like that idea too, DAI being available so that you can have a dollar stable, a reliable and accountable dollar stable token, go ahead and contact PayFair and let them know that you want that. All right, that'll be a big deal for me, and I'll really begin using that platform if they can get us that dollar stable token DAI in there for immediate exchange. Okay, that'll be major for the cryptocurrency world. Immediate fiat to crypto stable transactions in an anonymous way. Absolutely wonderful for everybody in the crypto space. All right, take the power back. Hear me, ladies and gentlemen? Anyways, that will be it for the video. Every single week we do have a giveaway of cryptocurrency, and that's always going to be a small cap cryptocurrency. And if you want to get involved, if you would like an entry on every single video I release and tweet out, that is an opportunity for you guys to get another entry into the giveaway. And that will be a undisclosed but definitely a worthwhile amount of crypto given away every Sunday. I'll go ahead and I'll contact the winner, and the winner will get to decide in between one of the small cap cryptos that I offer, either Horse, Elec, PayFair, AI Gang, or one of the other many small cap cryptocurrencies that I talk about on a regular basis. Now, pretty much to enter, all you got to do is retweet, like, and obviously comments count, and you know, you do need to be a follower or a subscriber of mine, ideally both, but not necessary. Anyways, that's all for the giveaway details. Now that you know, go ahead, participate if you like. Come on back tomorrow for another opportunity to make money. I'm always bringing you opportunities. This has been your host, Trillionaire. Peace.